Yo Xbox gamers! Final Fantasy XIV just dropped on Xbox, and Final Fantasy VII Remake is coming this winter. Is this the ultimate time to jump into Final Fantasy? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for gaming news that hits hard. Let's dive into this epic Square Enix surprise. During the Xbox Games Showcase, Square Enix shocked fans. Final Fantasy XIV, the action-packed RPG, is now live on Xbox consoles. Plus, they teased Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade for winter 2025. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the series, this is huge. Ready for the details? Let's go! Final Fantasy XIV is the latest chapter in the iconic series, and it's a banger. You play as Clive Rossfield, a warrior battling godlike icons in a gritty fantasy world. The game blends real-time combat with jaw-dropping cinematic visuals, delivering boss battles that feel like blockbuster monster movies. Xbox players get the full package, including 2 DLCs, The Rising Tide and Echoes of the Fallen, adding new story content and the fan-favorite Leviathan icon. Download it now and jump in. But wait, there's more! Square Enix announced Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade is hitting Xbox this winter 2025. This isn't just a sport, it's an enhanced version with better graphics, new content, and gameplay tweaks that make the classic FF7 story shine. If you've been waiting to revisit Midgar or try for the first time, this is your chance. Winter can't come soon enough. These releases show that Square Enix is all in on Xbox, bringing their biggest titles to a wider audience. Final Fantasy XIV's intense combat and story, plus Final Fantasy VII Remake's legendary legacy, make this a golden era for Xbox RPG fans. The fact that Xbox gets the DLCs, previously PlayStation exclusives, levels up the experience. Are you hyped to play as Clive or revisit Cloud's adventure? Final Fantasy XIV is available right now on Xbox, so grab it and start slaying icons. And keep your eyes peeled for Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade this winter. Whether you're into epic battles or deep stories, Final Fantasy's got you covered. Which game are you most excited for? 14 or the 7 Remake? Let's talk about it. That's the scoop on Final Fantasy's Xbox takeover. Are you diving into Final Fantasy XIV today, or saving your energy for the FF7 Remake? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you're pumped for this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.